Parmesan chicken, the lemon pepper chicken.
Hey, I'm cooking 6
burger balls, burgers. Big guys over here today. Kind of celebrate getting into the season. Cory's got a nice little spread going here. Got chicken on a stick, burgers, lemon pepper chicken over here to the right, chicken Parmesan to the left.
We just come out today, Riley hooks us up with the food all the time. We have cookouts, and Riley will go to Lahodi's and always buy a bunch of good food, We got the chicken, all the Parmesan chicken, the chicken on a stick, a bunch of burgers. Riley does a good job at taking care of us and hooking us up, We keep him safe, he takes care of us, keeps us fat.
Protecting us. Me and James, gotta take care of him.
Oh, it's juicy. Jesus is oozing out. It's great.
Ooh, hot. Very good though.
We had the lineman over here today, kind of celebrating camp ending, season starting. So that's why we're here.
Big dog's gotta eat, right?
Dog's gotta eat.